The girl noticed that her cat kept twitching its paw. When she picked the cat up to take a closer look, she found a piece of gold stuck to its paw. She immediately rewarded it. The kitten seemed to realize that it would be rewarded for finding things the girl liked, so it kept staring at her shoes. The girl sensed something was off. She reached down to investigate and discovered several $1,000s hidden there. She thought it was all just a coincidence, but then the kitten found a diamond ring she had lost long ago under the sofa. Only then did she realize that her cat might be the legendary Maneki Neko.